What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BT, and today we are here with a U-Haul. I do not own a trailer, so I'm probably picking up something at this place. Today we are here at Copart to pick up another ride. So we got here this U-Haul. I do not have a trailer, but when you're in this thing, you have to end up getting things, and you might end up with one of these things. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so that is it. We are here at the Copart. The process is you come, you check in. There's an app. It's a Copart transportation app. You can get all your information loaded in there. Then you go ahead, you pull up here into this lot. They come, they drop off your vehicle. You go ahead, strap it down, do whatever you need to do. Then you head right over there in the office, pick up your title work. I did confirm with the workers that once they put the car in this lot, you can drive it off this lot, but you're on your own. So here we are. We don't know anything else about this vehicle. Does it turn on or not? But we're gonna go ahead, strap this thing down and head on home. All right, so we're all loaded up and we're heading home. All right, so we made it. We made it. Here it is right here. So far, man, I'm telling you, from from what I can see, the damage is not that bad, but you can see there is hail damage here. All right, so here is the moment of truth. Will it start? I'm gonna go ahead, flip this down so we can get in the car. All right, we've got power. We've got power. Here we go. Hey, we have a start, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get this thing unloaded, get this U-Haul back, and then we're gonna go over exactly what's going on with this car. We're gonna check it out, see the condition, see what needs to be done, and then get to work. All right, so here we go under the hood. See what we're dealing with here. Okay, doesn't look too bad. Things look fairly clean in here. So as you can see from a quick overview of this vehicle, it wasn't a bad find at all. It has hail damage. That is why this car ended up at the auction with hail damage. When the car was put on the trailer, I was a bit shocked as to see where exactly all the damage was. Now, it's not to say there is not damage there, but the damage does not look substantially overbearing. So what we're going to do from here is we're going to order some PDR tools, and we're going to get to work on trying to remedy all of the dents on this car to hopefully restore it back to the way that it was originally, and we're going to learn the process. So stay tuned for the ride on this 2019 Mercedes C300. It's your boy BT. Thank you for checking out this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.